Are you buying artificial plants from a trader or directly from a factory? For wholesale buyers, factory direct supply means better control over the entire process. You can check real production, compare materials, and communicate directly about packaging or customization. For products like artificial hedges, potted trees, and hanging beams, direct factory supply helps reduce unnecessary middle costs and improve efficiency. Established in 2004, SUNWING has over 18 years of experience in the artificial plants industry with self-owned factories and continuous product development. If you are looking for artificial plants, hedges, green walls, or custom trees, talk to a real manufacturer before your next wholesale order. Factory direct, stable quality, better business.